In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Shadow Life 2 on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find the Shadow Life 2 experience and play using a controller on your PlayStation 4. So all that you have to do is use the search function and look for Shadow Life 2. You will notice that I am doing this process on my PC, but don't worry, it is going to work exactly the same way on your PlayStation 4. So once you look for Shadow Life 2, it should be the first result to pop up. As you can see, welcome to Shadow Life, Shinobi Life 2. So even though the title says Shadow Life only, it is still going to be Shinobi Life 2. So go ahead and join. Immediately upon joining the experience, you will be able to choose between the three main options. So you will be using your controller to highlight the options on the menu, move around, and do all sorts of actions. Now, you can use the select or options button to have this little highlighter that you can use to choose options around the menu. So move this using the left joystick and then you can choose between play, or if you use the arrows, you can switch to game modes and then the option to edit your character. If this is your first time joining the experience, you will be able to customize your character as soon as you join. So you will see all of the customization options, you will be able to change everything, and once you have the outfit complete, just go ahead and choose play. Now you will load into the world map where you can choose between various different spawn locations. So you have various symbols that you can choose, which are different villages, or you can go over to these event locations. Once you enter any of these villages, you will load in and you will be able to play using the left joystick for movement, using the right joystick to move your camera, and then the buttons and the L1, L2, R1, and R2 to do certain abilities. So as soon as you load in, you will be good to go. Like I said, you can use all sorts of actions with L1 and R1 and then R2 to attack, and you will be able to do the combos here using these different buttons combinations. It is a very well made game, super polished, and you will be able to play and experience it directly on your PlayStation 4. So all that you have to do is go ahead and join and you will be able to play it on any platform. If you have progress on a PC, for example, and you join on your PlayStation 4, the progress will be transferred over so you don't have to worry. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Shadow Life 2 on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.